Hi Sam. I'm excited for today's lesson. We're going to learn the German word
auch,
Hi Alex.
auch,
What does that mean?
auch.
translates to also or to in English. It's used to add information or to express agreement. The most common use is to indicate that something applies in addition to what has been mentioned.
That's interesting. Are there any false friends I should watch out for?
Yes, actually. Some learners confuse
Auch,
with the English word oak. But remember, they are completely different.
auch.
Is about addition or agreement, while oak is a type of tree.
Got it. Can you explain how?
Auch.
Is used in sentences.
Sure.
Auch.
Is an adverb, so it doesn't change form. For example, you can say,
Ich mag Äpfel und ich mag auch Bananen.
which means I like apples, and I also like bananas.
So it stays the same in all situations.
Exactly. It's quite straightforward. You might also say,
Kommt auch zur Party.
which means he is also coming to the party.
What about its history? Where does
Auch.
come from?
Auch.
Has its roots in Old High German, where it was spelled
Au.
over time, its meaning has remained consistent, relating to addition or inclusion. It's fascinating how some words maintain their meaning for centuries, isn't it?
That is fascinating. So, can we break down the word?
Auch.
Well,
Auch.
can't be split into parts like some other German words. It's a stand-alone word. But you can think of it as a piece that connects ideas, like a bridge in a conversation.
So what are some similar words in German?
There are quite a few. For example, with the same function or meaning, you have
Auch.
itself, which means also. Another similar word is
Ebenfalls.
meaning likewise.
Any others?
Yes. You might also find
Sowohl.
which means both, and,
Weder.
which means neither. Then there's
Noch.
which means still or yet.
Wow, that's a lot.
And don't forget words with similar endings. For example,
Vielleicht.
means perhaps, and
Eigentlich.
means actually. They don't mean the same but share a similar structure.
That's a cool way to learn. Can you give me some situations where I might use
Auch.
Of course. One situation is when you're at a restaurant. You could say,
Ich möchte auch einen Kaffee.
meaning I would also like a coffee.
Okay, let me try.
Ich möchte auch ein Wasser.
Perfect. That means I would also like a water. Great job.
What's another situation?
Another could be when you're chatting with friends. You might say,
Ich habe auch einen Hund.
which means I also have a dog.
So I could say,
Ich habe auch eine Katze.
2.
Exactly. That's a great sentence.
What's a third situation?
Let's say you're talking about school. You could say,
Ich habe auch gute Noten.
meaning I also have good grades.
I think I can do that.
Ich habe auch schlechte Noten.
Good try. That means I also have bad grades. Just a small correction since it's the opposite.
Got it. Are there any hints to remember the gender when using other words?
Well, since
Auch.
is an adverb, it doesn't have a gender. But when you're learning nouns, remember that masculine nouns often end in.
That's helpful. Are there any common phrases with?
Auch.
Absolutely. Some typical phrases include,
Das ist auch wichtig.
meaning that is also important, and
Ich finde es auch gut.
meaning I think it's also good.
I see. Are there any words that are commonly confused with?
Auch.
Yes,
Auch.
can sometimes be confused with,
Aber.
which means but. They serve different functions in a sentence, so be careful when using them.
This is really fun. Can you give me some more example sentences?
Sure. Here are a few.
Wir gehen auch ins Kino.
Which means we are also going to the cinema. And
Sie spricht auch Deutsch.
meaning she also speaks German.
Nice. What else?
You could say,
Ich habe auch viel zu tun.
which means I also have a lot to do. Or,
Das ist auch eine gute Idee.
meaning that's also a good idea.
Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Great. Here's a quick recall check. What does
Auch.
mean in English?
It means also or too.
Correct. How would you say I also like pizza in German?
Ich mag auch Pizza.
Perfect. What's a situation where you would use
Auch.
When ordering at a restaurant, like,
Ich möchte auch einen Salat.
exactly? How about a sentence using
Auch.
with a negative?
Ich habe auch keine Zeit.
means I also have no time.
Great job. And finally, can you tell me where
Auch.
comes from?
It comes from Old High German.
That's right. You really did well today, Sam. Just remember that
Auch.
is a versatile word for adding information.
Thanks, Alex. This was really helpful and fun. I'll practice more with.
Auch.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep up the good work, and I look forward to our next lesson.